Hello there, wirecrafting friends, jewelry enthusiasts, fans, and besties. I'm Simone, a wire jewelry artist, and in today's video, I'll be showing you 5 easy earring dangle tutorials. Here is our materials list. Let's get started. Here is option 1. Now, let's put our beads onto our eye pins and then create loops on the ends to secure the beads. You should have 2 loops on each side of your eye pin, giving you flexibility to choose which end you'd like to attach your charm and which end you'd like to attach your ear wire. When working with head pins, eye pins, and ear wires, open them gently and close them tightly. Ready for option 2? Begin option 2 with the same process of loading your beads onto your head pins. Bend the tails at a sharp 90-degree angle, ensuring that the beads stay on the eye pins. In my opinion, this makes it easier to create the loops for attaching. Now that you have chosen which side of your eye pin you would like to attach your chain, be sure to count your lengths in order to achieve symmetry on both earrings, and attach your charms. Gently open the loop of your ear wires while still letting them know who's boss, and attach your earrings. Jumping right into option 3. For this design, I'll be using 26 gauge gold-plated wire to attach to the ball-ended side of the head pin. I wrap at least 3 times, but this step is optional. I do this for the security. You could totally wrap as many times as you like, depending on the length of your head pins. I just recommend from start to finish of this design to wrap in between each bead 3 to 4 times. Bring your weaving wire up and around the back side of the bead, hugging the bead tightly, and secure it 3 times. Slide your second bead onto the head pin and repeat the same technique used for the first bead. Ensure that the weaving wire is hugging around the opposite side of the first bead, creating a zigzag style pattern with your weaving wire. Apply the same technique to the third bead. Trim off any excess weaving wire and secure the ends to prevent snagging. Using your needle nose pliers, position them just above the wraps of the final bead and bend the wire tails at a sharp 90-degree angle. Use your round nose pliers to begin forming the loop. With your other hand, wrap the tails around and down themselves to ensure a secure hold. While completing the loop, keep the earring on your round nose pliers to maintain the form. I completely missed my hand just now, but never mind that. Open your ear wires and attach your earrings. For anyone curious about these small disposable containers, I ordered them from Temu. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are perfect for more than just storage. They are also great for packing extras in your kids' lunches and organizing other small things. Next up, we have option 4. For option 4, I ordered a jewelry making kit off of Temu. The addiction is real. The jewelry kit came with multiple sizes of jump rings. So for option 4, I chose a large jump ring, a medium jump ring, and a small jump ring. I took seed beads that were 3 different colors, but you can choose how many ever colors you like, and I put them on the jump rings how I wanted, and then connected all of the jump rings from largest to smallest. I use 3 similar colored seed beads, 1 for each layer, but feel free to get creative with any beads you like. Any shape, long as it can fit any design option because some beads will give you trouble. Like all the previous options, don't forget to finally attach your earrings to the ear wires. Finally, option 5. Feel free to stand up, stretch, shout out hurrah or hooray, do your happy dance, or even go outside and show off your new DIY earrings because I'm so proud of you. If you're enjoying these quick DIY style videos, I'd love your support in reaching 1,000 subscribers. Option 5 is pretty simple. Use something like a cup or a string to hang your ear wires. Then attach a jump ring to both earrings. I'm using an earring display to help build mine. Attach 2 chains to each jump ring, ensuring both ear wires have the same number of links. You should have a total of 4 chains, 2 for each ear wire. I hope you enjoyed this 5 DIY earrings video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Until next time, bye!